akin ha. Medyo strict ang ating referee ngayon eh. Kaya hindi ka makaporma. Last throw. Yes! All na to, all na, all 30. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Pak! Pinasakay ang ligo, wala. Nagsabaw na, nakuha ni. Oh, nakakapagod ang ligo, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Suyo! Pinasakay ang Ansis, Ansis. Butik na magawa, Ansis na pagbilog, ito na sa Pax. 1 minute and 24, si Pax, babata. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 18. Aulo. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Amigo, wala. About ni Dio. 1 minute and 7. Anda, wala. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Exactly 1 minute to play. 56 seconds. Running time po yan, ha? 50 seconds. 50 seconds. 48 seconds. Amigo, nag-iisip. Pinukulang sa nga. 40 seconds. 2 points by Ansi. 37 seconds. Aying. Pinasa kay Job. 30 seconds. Skills by Pax. 26 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4. Wala. 16 seconds. 2 points by Dio. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pasok. Per seconds, per seconds. Ansis, foul. Per seconds. Sige na. Napasarap to be. 1 point. Good. Sa free throw. Wala. 3. Oh, ano foul? 3 seconds. Foul by Lee. 3 seconds. Warning for penalty. 3 seconds, ha? 2, 1.